Okay, today we are going to look at PID. PID is the pelvic inflammatory disease or pelvic inflammatory disorder. We are going to use very few minutes and talk about it briefly. A PID, this is the infection of the upper part of the female reproductive system, and organs found in this part are mainly the uterus, the fallopian tubes, the ovaries, and then the inside of the pelvis. So mainly the PID affects that infection affects the upper part of the female reproductive system. Now, to go further, let's look at the signs and symptoms of PID. You might look into yourself having these symptoms and signs when you don't know. So PID is not something simple to live with, because it has more other worse side effects and conditions it brings into the reproductive system of a woman. So if you have PID, I would urge you to go to your doctor and do a checkup, then find out the best treatment you can get for the conditions, because the earlier the better. So signs and symptoms of PID include a vaginal discharge. These signs and symptoms happen when the condition is present. That is the vaginal discharge, fever that is on and off, pain during sex, bleeding after sex, then burning sensation during urination, then lastly the irregular menstruation. Mainly those are the signs of PID, so you can check into yourself and see. And worst of it all, when PID, the pelvic inflammatory disease, is not treated, it might result into infertility, it might result into ectopic pregnancies, then chronic pelvic pain might come around, then cancer of any of the reproductive organs of the woman. So you find that the bacteria that causes chlamydia and gonorrhea is the bacteria responsible for PID. So long-term staying with chlamydia and gonorrhea, treating it on and off, it might result into PID. So one needs to be keen when treating these infections, and one needs to always do checkups and find out the best treatments from their doctors. So my name is Dr. Tendo from Tendo Organic Pharmacy. That is all I had to talk about chlamydia briefly. For more information, you can always call us or text us. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You learn more things, because every day, every week, we almost post new videos. Then secondly, download my app from Google Play Store. It is you search Dr. Tendo Kampala. The app is called Dr. Tendo Herbs Kampala. Follow me on all my social media platforms, that is Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just search Dr. Tendo Kampala. Thank you so much for using my products. Thank you for the love. May God bless you. Until we meet tomorrow. I think tomorrow we should talk about chlamydia, and we see, because we've seen that chlamydia, mostly long-term staying with chlamydia, is responsible for PID. So tomorrow let's look at chlamydia, its symptoms, and how it affects the body. So that is when you will know, and that is when you differentiate between symptoms of candida and symptoms of chlamydia, because these things kinda have similar symptoms but different in one way or the other. thank you so much. Keep following. We have stores in Gayaza and Kampala. You can always call us. If you want to talk to me, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much.